knuckles, but trust me, if you're moisturizing, those places, knuckles cannot come. That's one thing that they don't tell you. Moisturizing will prevent knuckles. It's not by pouring the whitening product there, it's by moisturizing those areas. Show me up, show me to the world. I wanna live my life with you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be explaining how to use those lightening products very well today. I've mentioned the things you need to get, so now I'll be telling you how to put them to use, because I believe some people will be asking, so how can we be using the moisturizer, I'll be using this one, I'll be using this one, no, it's not like you'll be using it together like that every day, no. So I'll be elaborating more on how to use it. I just want to say thank you to you guys once more. I can't stop appreciating. So just thank you. If you're new here, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, drop your project offering. And then to my subscribers, thank you very much for staying tuned to this channel. So let's start. First things first, to lighten your skin, you need to prep your skin. Now, prepping your skin is just getting it ready to receive the lightening products. That's just it. No strong something there. So that's one way to do that. One very good way to do that is to start off by moisturizing your face using a moisturizing product for at least 2 weeks. So now, let's say you want to start lightening. You've decided today and you've got those things today. If you want to start with the lightening soap. Start with the lightening soap and continue. Like when you use the lightening soap, your scrub and the sponge and everything, you use a moisturizing lotion or cream. Okay, a lightening soap with moisturizing lotion. That way the skin will be like, okay, I'm getting ready for something. Start toning. If you check out, it might even tone a little bit. Yeah, start getting prepared a little bit like that. So you'll be using this for at least 2 weeks, but if you can try and use it for like a month, it's also good. It's good that way. But I know if they draw for us to start using our lightening product sharp, they drag us. I don't understand. So that's why I'm saying at least 2 weeks. So after you've reached your 2 weeks, you can then switch to still that lightening soap and your lightening lotion. Then your skin will not get it in full force. It's get it in full force and start lightening. Like you use this lightening cream, lightening soap for a month. If you want to continue, fine and good, but I advise a month. Then you give your skin a little break. It's not like you're giving it too much break. You switch to a moisturizing soap. You switch to a moisturizing soap and then continue with that lightening lotion. Still, you continue use that one for probably another month, and then to give your skin a break from the lightening products, because the lightening products, it's been there. To give your skin a little break from the lightening things, you can then moisturize your soap. Maybe use your body butter or your moisturizing lotion for 2 weeks. That is with the moisturizing soap too. Use the moisturizing cream or a body butter for like 2 weeks. I know it's a bit complicated, but let me give you the formula. This is I don't know how to put it, but just take it this way: moisturizing soap, lightening soap, moisturizing cream, 2 weeks. Lightening soap, lightening cream, 1 month. Moisturizing soap, lightening cream, 1 month, and then moisturizing soap, moisturizing cream for 2 weeks, or 1 month, depending on how long you get, but it shouldn't be less than 2 weeks because the skin needs to rest. You know what I told you people in the other video about how to start up a skincare regime? You need to wait. Seeing change in your skin, I told you guys, it's like I'd like waiting for 28 days because our skin takes 28 days to renew itself. That is why everything I always do is like a month. I'm not talking about seeing reaction, because I know they talk about this patch test, but trust me, this patch test will not tell you everything. but at least to just show any instant allergies, like serious ones that just come up like that. But if you're going to react to it, as in the one that later you start having skin reactions and all that, you will still wait to use it before you know. So now, as you're using these things, I've explained the soap and the lotion. As you're using these things, you're going to be scrubbing. You need to make scrubbing your friend. You're going to need to scrub every. First of all, as you're starting, you need to be scrubbing twice a week. You need to start scrubbing until you see that, okay, my skin is getting succulent, it's getting softer and all that. Then you can take a break and start scrubbing once a week. Do you get that one by yourself? You will know when you want. But if you're enjoying it, you want to continue scrubbing. But trust me, over scrubbing too is not that good. So it's either twice a week or once a week. As for the sponge, the glove sponge that I like, for me, if you have brush, that's your choice. I use those ones once a day. I bathe 2 times a day, so you're to bath 2 times a day, but I personally use the scrub once, and that is when I'm bathing in the night. Now morning time, I don't need to go and carry scrub again and start waking my skin up. No need. You just use your soap and bathe very well, and that's it. Then what else? You heard what I talked about, the hot water. Please avoid hot water. Avoid hot water, please. Avoid it. Then for your vitamin C and vitamin E, my essential oils or any serum you have, those ones are advisable you use it in the night. Some people be like, vitamin C, you can use it during daytime. If you're going to use it during daytime, don't forget to wear your sunscreen. But me, because I just like night period and I see more effectiveness in whatever I'm using when I'm using it in the night, I would advise night is the best time to add up those things while you sleep very well. And try having, remember what I talked about in things you need to know before you start up a skincare regimen. I mentioned having a good rest. That same video on things you need to know before you start up your skincare regimen. Yes, you need to be resting. You need to be resting. You need to be resting. It's not just about rubbing cream and be stressing away yourself. It's not just about that. You need to be resting, sleeping in the night. Please sleep. Yes. So the good thing is, after applying those things at night, you sleep for at least 6 hours. That's the least. If it's 5 hours, you know, complete. If it's 5 hours, 40 minutes, you know, complete. At least 6 hours. But I like making my 7-8 hours so that you feel alright. You see changes. So I'm just feeling myself today. So as far as you're sleeping, applying those vitamin C and vitamin E. See, that vitamin C, when let's say you're using the capsule, when you take one capsule, you can't finish the whole capsule on your face. Now waiting, you can't finish one capsule on your face. I don't know how people do it, but for me, I can't try it. And I have an oily skin and also an acne prone skin. So, and vitamin E, you know, it's thicker than vitamin C. You can't finish one capsule on your face. So you just take small, apply on your face. The remaining, apply on your hand. Please, I used to have this rough hand. Like, the skin on mine used to be very rough. But applying vitamin E on it has made it look a little bit youthful. Youthful. As well as your leg. So, so apply the remaining. You see those things? That's very good though. That's very good. And then your sunscreen. And also, if you want to get there's something else I just want to add up. But somehow, I don't know. If you notice you're having knuckles, like dark knuckles, you know, on your knee and all that, you can get the BSC of the lotion you get. Please, BSC is different from face cream. I see some people applying BSC on their face. Please don't do that. Don't do that. BSC, black spot corrector, they did not say face cream. It's different. You can get a BSC and apply on those dark places. Those very dark places. Although me, I don't like it, but it's kind of effective. So you can get a BSC to help you if you're having knuckles. But trust me, if you're moisturizing, those places, knuckles cannot come. That's one thing that they don't tell you. Moisturizing will prevent knuckles. is not by pouring the whitening product there, it's by moisturizing those areas. You know, those areas, those joint areas, they usually are very dry on a norm. Like normally they don't produce excess oil. I don't know why, probably because they're being folded or what, I don't know. So to help them out, and lightening cream already dries up our skin, so to help those parts out, you need to moisturize them extra, give them more moisturizer by applying more of those moisturizers there. And when you're bathing, scrub those parts very well and apply a good moisturizing thing there. That will help you. Even your body butter, it will help you. Just apply. Me, it's body butter that I like applying on my toes, because sometimes they, because of shoes and all that, they tend to give me knuckles. So I always apply shea butter. Yes, my body butter that I've mixed, you know, they use shea butter and all those other ones. So I apply it in quantum there at night. That way by morning it's normalized and everything is fine. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell, so that when I'm posting the next one, the next video is going to be how to tone your skin. Probably I'll be joining the two of them, toning your skin and just letting it glow, because they are both small, nothing much. Don't worry, I'll make it one video, please. I just want to get it over with and move on to other things. Okay, all right, people, thank you for having me. And I thank you for having me. See you when I see you. All right, the weekend will start. Should I have a great weekend? Don't worry, I'll say it tomorrow. Bye bye.